Alright, we're recording the sewer line here today at 3233 44th Avenue West here in Magnolia. The date is May 20th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the clean out here in the basement. What we're looking at right there is the Seattle City mainline sewer flowing by out on 44th Ave West. We're going to pull back from this point and get a look at the side sewer line for the 3233 home. Okay, coming back into 6-inch diameter concrete sewer line. The bottom of the pipe is on the right side of our screen right now. There we go. So the bottom's fairly aggregate and rough. This is out under the street, coming back towards the sidewalk now. So seam in the pipe approximately every 2 feet. Seams are the weak spots of the pipe. Should be coming back to the 4-inch diameter section of pipe here. Now, I believe there is our transition point. Come back a little more further and see if I can't. There it is. Okay, so we're going from 4-inch to 6-inch sewer. So approximately 32 feet of 6-inch diameter sewer line. And coming back now into 4-inch diameter sewer line. So we are now back on the property. Let's go locate that 4x6 real quick here. I'm going to locate this spot briefly. I'll be right back. We're going to pause the video. Okay, we've got that spot located out right near the sidewalk. Coming back now into 4-inch diameter pipe like we said there. The next kind of landmark we're looking for on our tour here is the tie-in for the 2 downspouts off the front of the home. That would be that one there. We're going to go locate that spot briefly here. We'll be right back again. Okay, we've got that spot located about 6 feet deep for the driveway drain and downspout drain from the front of the house tie into the sewer. Our next landmark, I believe, is the kitchen sink line. That's what it says according to the map here. So we're going to look for that kitchen sink tie-in line. Ought to be right there. I'm going to go locate that real quick too. Pause it and locate. Got that located about 6 feet deep over there as well. That's another tie-in. I'm not sure if that's a kitchen yet, but we will investigate. We're going to keep coming back. There's another tie-in. Now this one could be the kitchen line, and that other one is a mystery. But let's go check it out. This one seems to line up more with the kitchen line. Okay, we've got that spot located 6 feet deep. I'm guessing that's the kitchen line, because it lines up more with where the kitchen sink is. We'll have to do some testing to figure out what that other line is. But coming back still here. This is the PVC repair recently installed by Beacon Plumbing. So they just recently did an emergency repair here at this 90-degree corner. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to zero out our footage there. So it looks like we got about 53 feet of 4-inch pipe down to that 4x6. And we're going to zero out again here. We are now running along the back side of the house. Should be another downspout tie-in here shortly. There, we got a tie-in there. I'm going to pause it and go locate this. Okay, I've located that. I thought that was initially possibly the tie-in for the downstairs laundry sink, but I've got that running now, and it clearly is not. There are two tie-ins on the back side of the house. We'll locate that second one real quick, but it looks like that laundry plumbing's coming over to this main stack, so we're okay there. Okay, we got that spot located. It's near that back stairwell there. Come back to about here, and then we start turning. Coming back into this concrete section. There's a pretty good lip where this pipe's going from cast iron to concrete. I actually broke the lens on my screen here the first time going past this lip. But here you're back into cast, so we're going to call that 27 feet of 6-inch diameter. There we go. So I'd like to locate this spot here. Call this the end of the locating. Pausing the video, last locate. I'm just going to end this recording real quick here as we come around the final corner. I've got the downspout running there just as a test, so you see it's coming in that tie-in there. Come around this final corner here, and back into cast iron. Come up a few more feet and you're up out of the clean out there. So there's our clean out. I'm going to end the recording there.